proud of. And she told the story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors, just the war and never she did. Perhaps this God will bring you good luck and happy death. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with it. My coat of many colors that my Mama made for me, they don't mean the right, but I wore it so proudly. Now I know we had no money, but I was rich inside me. In my coat of many colors, my Mama made me. So with patches on my breeches, holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors, I hurried off to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me. In my coat of many colors, my Mama made me. And I didn't understand it, for I felt I was rich, and I told them all the love my Mama sewed in every stitch. And I told them all the story Mama told me why she sewed, and how my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. But they didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see that what is only one, only if they choose to be. Now I know we had no money, but I was rich inside me. In my coat of many colors, my Mama made just more fair.